the Halloween fun. There was this pumpkin, mean size, and there was this tall one too. And so everybody was looking at us, except we got it before them. We were so happy. We loved it. So I was Snow White for it. So and I went with my cousins and I loved it so much. I could and here comes the Halloween. I had so much candy I didn't know what to do with it. So I had decided that I could do anything that I wanted to do with that candy. I sold it away, some of it. So I love this candy, I said to myself. So there was this biggest candy in the whole world. The end.